dove, nature's bird of love, spirit, and peace. Have you ever paused to wonder why the dove is regarded as the bird of peace, love, and spirit? This is the story of a bird so faithful it is devoted to one partner for life. So spiritual, it played sacred roles in the Bible. And so close to the human heart, it was man's trusted messenger in olden days. The doves love life. Doves don't date around. They are known for forming lifelong partners. When a male chooses his mate, they're partners for life and remain devoted to each other. Doves are exceptional co-parents. When the female lays eggs, usually 2, the dove couple takes turns warming them. And when the chicks hatch, both parents take turns to feed them with crop milk. Not actual milk, but a nutrient-rich secretion which both sexes produce from their crop. Relationship with humans. Humans and doves share a long relationship that go way back to the ancient times. Doves are often released at weddings, funerals, and rallies as symbols of love, peace, and hope. Some species, like the rock dove, who are ancestor of domestic pigeons, have lived alongside humans for thousands of years. And, in olden days, doves even carried our messages across battlefields. In China, the dove is a symbol of fidelity. In ancient Rome, it stood for love and fertility. And in Egypt, it carried the soul to the afterlife. In the Great Flood, narrated in Genesis 8 verse 11, it was a dove that brought Noah the olive branch, signifying the end of God's judgment and return of peace. When Jesus was baptized, the Holy Spirit descended like a dove, making it a Christian symbol of divine presence, peace, and purity. Doves never fight. They don't claw or scream. They build simple nests and protect them with quiet courage. Their call is not a shout, but a whisper, a soft, sacred coo. In their gentleness, they remind us of the peace we all crave. So next time you see a dove, don't just see a bird. You'll be looking at a faithful partner, a caring parent, and nature's quiet sermon on love, sacrifice, and eternal peace.